Hello YouTube building community, this is Marcos from Tortuga Customs. How you doing, guys? Wanna do um, a product review this time. This is a product from Flashpoint resins. It's the new line that he's getting, Nick of the Flashpoint. It's a new line from engines. This time I got a hardcore 540. It's a Chevy engine, big block. I'll show you right quick. This kit have a lot of parts. I mean, when I said a lot, it's a lot. It's incredible. And even though that this kit is 3D printed, you're gonna find a lot of stuff on it. Alright, for example, the first thing to see is the block. Chevy block, huge engine. Huge engine. We got the 540 heads and the head covers. They're really nice. Really nice. Right, so I got the heads and the head covers. Okay, now we go into this part, which I like a lot. It's a manifold. It's a high rise or whatever you're gonna call it, for the carburetor. So in this case, you can go like normal single carburetor setup, or you can go as a nitrous engine and add the setup, detail up the solenoids and all that. So it gives you more than one option. Then the external vacuum pump. This is really detailed, as you can see. It's really detailed, and you can add this part in front of the engine and make the house's connection to the filter and to one of the head covers. We got the dry sub oil pan, which is really detailed. You can see the 3 lines in the bottom there, and this goes just right there. You can see the detail on it. It's really detailed. I mean, I like it a lot. Super good. Yeah, detail good. So we have the tank, the dry oil tank, which is, you have the mounting points here. Even though you have the bracket, and you can paint it any color that you want, but it looks really nice. You only need to add houses and connect it to the oil pan. So he gives you the option. I mean, he doesn't give you the option. This engine comes with this Dominator carburetor, which is really detailed. You can see the bolts inside in the bottom part. You can even see the injectors in the top. It's really detailed. Then you have our electric. So you have the electric water pump for this engine. It goes right there in the front. I mean, this engine, you got everything there. You have the sub pump, which goes in the bottom. You have the MSD distributor. It's a huge distributor. It's a huge distributor, really nice. You can see even the holes, so you can get a drill and make it make it fit the wires that you're going to be using. This is the pulleys and the timing chain wheel and the other pulley. This is really nice. It's a really good engine. As you can see on all the pictures, it's something that you can replicate, something that any pro mod or any drag racing car can have, even on the streets. Any outlaw, I mean, you use your imagination. You can go crazy on this thing, and I hope you guys like it. This is a really nice example from this 540. It's a huge engine. I love it, and I'll keep you posted on more stuff about it because he got more engines and more stuff. So try to visit the web page. You can go even to the Facebook page. They have a Facebook page when they announce the new products and all that. And I'm gonna put the in the description down below so you guys can see it. All right. So I'm gonna let you guys go. So enjoy your day, and see you on the next one. Bye.